Hi there, this is Steve again from Stow and Show. We've had a few customers that have returned their IXs, brackets, which should honestly be a pretty straightforward install because it seems like there's been some confusion on where to center the bracket. Now this one fits right up underneath in the center here, and you should be able to use the BMW logo and go straight down to almost this horseshoe, and then this center piece right here that should be your center point. So I don't know if it's when they're getting up underneath the vehicle and they're losing their sense of direction of where they are, but even up underneath here, there's your left screw there, and there's the one to the right. Those are the two you're using, and then there's your push pin on the right side, and the other push pin, there's a little scallop here that centers it. So before we get started with this installation, I just wanted to add that because we're not sure why people seem to seemingly having issues with that. But it does mount center, and that's why there's two holes in the base plate. And those two push pins that are just inside of those two screws that you should be using left and right of center.